Okay, we'll start off with a question. I meet up with my friends every day. What would that be? Quedo con mis amigos todos los días. Quedo con mis amigos todos los días. We could also say cada día, which would mean each day, but also commonly used to say every day in this context. Now, quedar has yet another unrelated meaning. It's also used to say if something's left over. So, for example, we could say queda mucho pan, and that means there is a lot of bread left. No queda leche. There's no milk left. The question, is there any coffee left, would be queda café. Queda café. So we know quedar means to meet up, and here quedar has an entirely different and unrelated meaning to be left over. So it's mainly going to be used in the third person, so you're mainly going to hear queda or quedan, as in they are left over, but we'll deal with that a little bit later. So queda, the third person, Queda, would be it's left over or there is something left over. So queda mucha leche, there's a lot of milk left. How would we say, can you go to the shop? There's no cheese left. Can you go to the shop? There's no cheese left. ¿Puedes ir a la tienda? No queda queso. ¿Puedes ir a la tienda? No queda queso. What about, is there an egg left? I need it for my breakfast. Is there an egg left? I need it for my breakfast. ¿Queda un huevo? Lo necesito para mi desayuno. ¿Queda un huevo? Lo necesito para mi desayuno. How about, there's no money left. I gave it to you yesterday. There's no money left. I gave it to you yesterday. No queda dinero. Te lo di ayer. No queda dinero. Te lo di ayer. So if queda un huevo is there is an egg left, or the question, is there an egg left? How would we say, are there 2 eggs left? We need to think about what we would do to the verb to make it they are left. And of course it would be quedan dos huevos, plural. Quedan dos huevos. There are 2 eggs left. How would we say, there are 5 people left in the queue? There are 5 people left in the queue. And queue is cola. Cola. C-O-L-A. Which also incidentally means tail. The tail of an animal. So it's probably related. So there are 5 people left in the queue would be Quedan 5 personas en la cola. Quedan 5 personas en la cola. How about there aren't any cars left? And we don't need to say the any. We just say there aren't cars left. For example, in the car park, there aren't cars left. No quedan coches. No quedan coches. How about the question, are there any tickets left? Are there any tickets left? And tickets, we saw quite a while ago, are entradas. Entradas. 2 words for tickets. Billetes, for traveling. A billete, un billete, a ticket for traveling on the bus or plane. And entradas, tickets to an event. Think of it as entrar, to enter somewhere. So entradas, tickets. And the question is, are there any tickets left? ¿Quedan entradas? ¿Quedan entradas? In English, we learn from a young age not to use a double negative. We mustn't say there isn't nothing left, there's not nothing left, or there ain't nothing left. We don't say there isn't nobody here. We'd say there isn't anybody here, or there's nobody here. But in Spanish, they do use a double negative. So I don't see anything in Spanish is I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. No veo nada. No veo nada. I don't see anything. I don't see nothing. I didn't eat anything is I didn't eat nothing. No comí nada. No comí nada. There isn't anything left is more like there ain't nothing left. No queda nada. No queda nada. So there's nothing left. No queda nada. How would we say I'm hungry and there's nothing left? Tengo hambre y no queda nada. Tengo hambre y no queda nada. What about there's nothing left for you? There's nothing left for you. No queda nada para ti. No queda nada para ti. How about there's nobody left? There's nobody left. And nobody is nadie, N-A-D-I-E, so nobody, nadie. There's nobody left. And it's going to be more like there ain't nobody left. There isn't nobody left. No queda nadie. No queda nadie. And how about there's nobody at home today? There's nobody at home today. There ain't nobody at home today. And just remember here, we're not using the word left. We're not saying there's nobody left at home today. We're just saying there's nobody at home today. So forget the quedar here. So there ain't nobody at home today would be no hay nadie en casa hoy. No hay nadie en casa hoy. If you heard this phrase, what do you think it would mean? No me queda nada. No me queda nada. What do you think that means? No me queda nada. It means I have nothing left. I have nothing left. So there's nothing left to me. But in English we would say, I have nothing left. No me queda nada. Nothing remains to me. No me queda nada. We could say, me queda un poco de leche. Me queda un poco de leche. I have a bit of milk left. I have a bit of milk left. So add in the me, or the te, or the le, or the nos, is a way of saying who has something left. So queda dinero is impersonal. Is there any money left? Is there money left? Queda dinero. The question te queda dinero, te queda dinero, is do you have any money left? Do you have any money left? How would we say, I have €2 left? Me quedan €2. Me quedan €2. What about, do you have any sugar left? Do you have sugar left? And sugar is azúcar. Azúcar. A-Z, U with an accent, C-A-R. Azúcar. So do you have any sugar left? ¿Te queda azúcar? ¿Te queda azúcar? He has a lot of time left. He has a lot of time left. Le queda mucho tiempo. Le queda mucho tiempo. He doesn't have anything left. Remember the double negative. He doesn't have nothing left. No le queda nada. No le queda nada. So a quick recap. Quedar also means to be left over. And it's normally in the third person, so queda. If we're referring to plural things left over, there are eggs left, there are cars left, there are people left. Then it would be quedan, with the N for plural. We also learnt about the double negative. There ain't nothing, there isn't nothing. No hay nada. There's nothing left. No queda nada. And we've learned how to personalize who has something left. So, I have some money left. Me queda dinero. He has something left. Le queda algo.